This is a video about how to install Vland headlights on your car. Specifically for the FRS with 6-pin headlight wiring harnesses. It's really not that hard. It's just a bit of disassembly, and then there's a teeny bit of wiring to do on the 6-pin ones. If you have a BRZ, it's probably just plug and play. This is a Vlan headlight install. You pull off, to install the headlight, you pull off these clips up here, and then there's a screw right here that you have to pull off. And then you pull off the bracket, and then the headlight comes out, and then you replace the headlight, and then you repeat on the other side. And then obviously before that, you also have to take off the front bumper. Switch sides, but basically your kit for the Vlan headlights comes with this 6 to 8 pin if you have the FRS. If you have the BRZ, it's just plug and play. If you have the FRS, you need to do a bit of wiring. So it comes with this 6 to 8 pin that you need for this. And basically you're going to tap into your turn signal wires down here. And there is a red wire, a green wire, and a black wire. And then the black from this and the black go together because they're ground. And then the yellow from this goes to the red. And then the white from this goes to the green. And when you have all of them put together on this, then you should, by the way, you have to splice it into these wires. So you have to splice it right here. And I'm just using these to put them in, but yeah, you just have to splice it into that. And then after that, you just plug the 8-pin into the headlight, and then the turn signal wire into the headlight, and that should work perfectly. So this is the last part. It's just this part right here. And you use a ratchet to adjust it, and it adjusts the light output. A lot of people complain about the light output on these not being like good enough. And a lot of times all you got to do to like make it better is to adjust it up or down, and it'll help the light output like a ton. So that's pretty much your last step. When you're done, you can unlock the car and look like that. I don't know if you can see the DRLs going on because it's kind of light outside. The car's a little dirty, but they're working like that, and you just kind of, lock and unlock. And you have the sequential turn signal, which is freaking sweet. And then I'm gonna lock the car here. You can take this and go to the first click. And the first click turns on your DRLs. Once again, I don't really know if you can see it because it's kind of bright out, but the DRLs are on now. And then you can take it and then turn it to the second click. And it turns on your headlights. Yeah, so there's that. It's mostly just the same functionality as the previous way you had it. And then your brights, obviously, and that turns on brights. And then you can also click hazards and look at the turn signals, which also look freaking sweet. So overall, these are a 10 out of 10, and I'll probably make a video like reviewing them after I use them for a while. So if you want that, just comment it, and there you go.